Ever seen daytime turn into night? A solar eclipse happens when the moon blocks the sun's light. This only occurs during a new moon, twice each year. When perfectly aligned, the moon fully covers the sun. Total eclipses reveal the sun's glowing corona in twilight. Annular eclipses leave a bright ring when the moon seems slightly smaller. Partial eclipses happen when alignment isn't exact, shadow grazes Earth. Hybrids shift between annular and total, varying by your location. Hand-drawn diagrams can show these alignments simply and clearly. A lunar eclipse occurs when Earth blocks sunlight from the moon. This can only happen during a full bright moon phase. Earth casts two shadows: outer penumbra, inner dark umbra. Penumbral eclipses dim the moon subtly, often hard to notice. Partial lunar eclipses cover part of the moon in shadow. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon glows deep red. Our tilted moon orbit stops eclipses every month. Simple whiteboard drawings reveal these celestial shadows step by step. Solar eclipses are rare, visible only along specific narrow Earth paths. Lunar eclipses can be seen clearly anywhere on the night side. Each eclipse teaches us about shadow geometry and orbital tilt. Safety matters. Never look directly at the sun with bare eyes. Use certified solar viewers or eclipse glasses for every solar eclipse. A simple pinhole projector safely shows the sun's dramatic changing shape. Grab your markers, draw shadows, and explore eclipse mechanics. Understanding alignments turns mystery into classroom curiosity and pure wonder. Eclipses reveal cosmic connections, uniting our Earth, Moon, and Sun. Remember, always safety first during every solar eclipse.